Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change contact email on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we can actually just head over in here to our profile icon. So click on the profile icon, click on this account settings, and then from in there, it will direct you to the managewix.com that will show you your account. Now in here, you can see what it looks like. So you can just put in here your password first because I have logged in through Google right here. So let me just add in here a password that I want to use. Now from in here, I will just retype it in here. And then once I have done that, I should be able to save this specific password on my site. So let me just retype all of this in order to put this on my site. So once you have saved the password, you can actually just use this in order to change your account email. Now click on this pencil icon right here. And then first enter your Wix account password. And then in here, enter your new account email. And then confirm your new account email. Once you have done that and click on next, it will send a notification on the new account email that you want. And then you first need to verify it in order to successfully add this as your account email. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.